So my dear students, 8 examples we have completed. So to that extent 50% clarity on the concept you got. The next 4 examples, that is 9, 10, 11, 12. These 4 examples will give you 90% of the concept clarity. What do you mean by that? First, have a look at the first example, means the 9th example. Int a equals to 10, int b, a plus plus a plus plus. If I'll give time to you to do, I can maybe assure 50% of the students who are watching here will do it correct. But the other 50% will do it wrong. If you want, you can try. Pause the video and try for, at least for 30-40 seconds. Try to get the answer for this. Don't type. How I was doing in the previous, videos, the same way you have to try to do. Only then you will get the clarity on the concept. Otherwise, you will never get. Never you will get. So try, pause the video and try. I hope you have paused the video for some 30-40 seconds and you have tried. Some answer also you have got. But let me explain the concept once. Carefully watch this. As usual, my dear students, control comes inside the main method and starts executing the first line. What is the first line? Int a equals to 10. Done. Very old story to us. Int b, this is also a very old story to us. Equal to operator is right to left associative. First, right side job should be completed. Right side is not a small job. First, from here you have to read and go. A plus plus, only first one I am reading, this part, a plus plus. First, identify. What is the operator? Increment. Incrementation operator. Plus plus is incrementation. What incrementation? Pre or post? It is coming after operand, hence it is post-incrementation. Post means what? Before or after? After you have to increment, means after assigning, you have to increment. I am not changing my story. If you have changed, it is your problem. My story is same. No change. After assigning, you have to increment. Done. Plus. Keep it there only. A plus plus. Incrementation. Post-incrementation. Post means after only. Means after assigning. What is the value of A? After assigning. Increment. Now read this. What is 10 plus 11? 21. 21 give it to B. 21 give it to B. System.out.println A. System.out.println B. This is the output. What most of the students will get confused here is this part. Both you will try to do at once. No, this is separate operation, this is separate operation. Once this is done, only then you have to do this. From left to right, you have to do and come. Sir, are you sure this is correct? Of course, I am sure. I have to prove to you. You know I will prove to you. But first, let me complete this. Anyway, let us come here. Int a equals to 10. Done. Int b. Equal to operator, right to left associative, first right side job we have to do. Plus plus a, incrementation only, but it is pre-increment. Pre means before. Before assigning, I have to increment and then assign. Plus keep it as it is. Again plus plus a, incrementation only, that to pre-incrementation. Pre means before assigning, I have to increment and then assign. Correct? No. So what is 11 plus 12? 23. 23 you have to give it to B. Done. 23 given to B. System.out.println A. System.out.println B. Hope I am completely clear about the pre-incrementation and post-incrementation. Similarly, the last 2 examples for this video, for this set maybe I can tell, which is the post-decrementation and pre-decrementation. Anyway, int a equals to 10, int b. Here I have equal to operator, right to left associative, right side job we have to do first. A minus minus, decrementation. Post-decrementation, afterwards you have to decrement. After assigning, you have to decrement. Simple. Plus, again, A minus minus, decrementation. Post-decrementation means afterwards you have to decrement. After assigning, you have to decrement. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 give it to B. Done. System.out.println A, system.out.println B. Done. Work is over. The last example, int A equals to 10, int B. Equal to operator, right to left associative, right side job, minus minus A, decrementation, pre-decrementation. Before we have to decrement, before assigning, I have to decrement and then assign, plus minus minus A again, pre-decrementation. Before we have to decrement, before assigning, I have to decrement and then assign. What is 9 plus 8? 17. 17 give it to B. System.out.println A, system.out.println B. 8 and 17 would be the output. Just to make sure we remember these outputs and check it carefully, once have a look at it. We have 12, 21, 12, 23, 8, 19, 8, 17. Switch back to Eclipse. Here, see, go to the demo 9 first. Yes, right click, run as Java application. 1221, output is correct. Next, demo 10, right click, run as Java application. 1223, double click on the console, have a look at it. Output is correct only. Next, close the console. We'll go back to the demo 11. See here, A minus minus plus A minus minus. Right click, run as Java application. 8 and 19, correct only. Next, 12th one. Right click, run as Java application. What we should get? 8 and 17. That is what we got, 8 and 17. Hope I am completely clear about both pre-incrementation and post-incrementation, pre-decrementation and post-decrementation. The last 4 examples, my dear students, don't come to conclusion. The last 4 examples will give you 100% clarity. After doing that 4 example, we will go to the first video's first example with the big one I have given. 30 seconds time, you will solve it. So first watch the next video, then we'll conclude. This video, I'll be stopping it here. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.